PeerView Software Identity Management Online Training. What is PeerView software and how does it integrate with identity management? PeerView is an open-source, multi-platform data analysis and visualization application. It is primarily used for the visualization of large datasets generated from scientific computing applications. PeerView provides a powerful set of tools to view and manipulate complex datasets, including 3D rendering, volume rendering, and parallel computing capabilities, making it ideal for fields such as computational fluid dynamics, geophysics, and engineering simulations. Some key features of PeerView include visualization. PeerView can visualize data in various formats, example CSV, HDF5, VTK, and others, and supports 3D rendering, graphs, and animations. Parallel processing. It can process large datasets using parallel computing, which is essential for scaling analysis to massive simulations. Extensibility. Users can write custom plugins to extend the functionality of PeerView, making it highly customizable. Integration with identity management. PeerView does not have built-in identity management features, but it can be integrated with identity management systems in several ways. User authentication and single sign-on, SSO. PeerView can integrate with identity and access management, IAM, solutions using protocols like SAML, Security Assertion Markup Language, or OpenID Connect. This integration ensures that users can authenticate using their organization's centralized authentication system, allowing for single sign-on, SSO, capabilities. Role-based access control, RBAC. While PeerView doesn't provide direct RBAC, it can be configured with external authentication systems to control access to specific datasets and features. This can be done by integrating PeerView with a backend server, like a web-based PeerView server, that enforces RBAC based on user roles defined in the IAM system. Authentication for PeerView server. If you're running PeerView as a server for remote visualization, it can integrate with external IAM systems for secure access. The server can authenticate users before granting access to visualization services, ensuring that sensitive data is only accessible by authorized users. Cloud integrations. In cloud environments, PeerView can integrate with cloud identity services like AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, Google Cloud Identity, or Azure Active Directory. These cloud identity systems can manage access permissions for PeerView and related resources, ensuring consistent access policies across cloud-based data and applications. How can PeerView improve security with identity and access management? PeerView, an open-source data analysis and visualization application, can enhance security by integrating with identity and access management, IAM, systems to ensure that access to its data and features is secure, compliant, and controlled. Here's how PeerView can improve security with IAM. 1. Centralized user authentication. PeerView can integrate with an organization's IAM system, such as LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, or Active Directory, for centralized user authentication. This ensures that user credentials are managed and verified according to organizational security policies, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. 2. Role-based access control, RBAC. By implementing RBAC, ParaView can assign specific roles to users or groups, limiting their access to data and functionalities based on their responsibilities. For example, only users with the admin role may have full access to all datasets and features, while viewer roles might only have access to view data without modification capabilities. 3. Granular access policies. IAM systems can allow for granular access policies where specific datasets or operations within ParaView can be restricted based on user roles. For instance, certain high-sensitivity data might only be available to users with appropriate clearance, ensuring that only authorized users can view or manipulate the data. 4. Single sign-on, SSO. Integrating ParaView with an IAM system that supports single sign-on, SSO, allows users to authenticate once and access ParaView along with other enterprise applications without needing to re-enter credentials. This simplifies user management and reduces the risk of password fatigue or credential theft. 5. Audit trails and logging. An IAM integration can help ParaView maintain detailed logs of who accessed the system, when, and what actions they performed. This is critical for auditing purposes and ensures that any unauthorized access or suspicious activity can be identified and investigated promptly. 6. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. By integrating ParaView with an IAM solution that supports MFA, users will need to provide additional forms of verification, such as a mobile app or hardware token, in addition to their password. This strengthens security by adding an extra layer of protection against credential theft. 7. Data encryption and secure access. With the integration of IAM, ParaView can enforce encrypted data transmission and secure access controls, ensuring that sensitive data is not exposed to unauthorized users during processing or visualization. What are the key features of identity management in ParaView? ParaView, primarily known as an open-source data visualization application, doesn't traditionally focus on identity management features. However, when using ParaView in enterprise settings or in conjunction with other systems, such as remote clusters or distributed computing environments, identity management can become relevant, especially for managing access to resources or controlling the execution of simulations. Key identity management features in these contexts may include authentication integration. ParaView can be integrated with centralized authentication systems such as LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, or Active Directory to manage user access and verify identities in enterprise environments. Role-based access control. RBAC. Some installations of ParaView may leverage RBAC systems to define different levels of access based on user roles. This ensures users can only access certain data or functionalities that match their role. Access control for distributed computing. When ParaView is used in distributed or HPC, high-performance computing environments, access control mechanisms ensure that only authorized users can run simulations or view sensitive data on these clusters. SSO, single sign-on in environments where ParaView is part of a larger infrastructure, example cloud platforms, enterprise software, it can be configured to work with SSO solutions, allowing users to authenticate once and access ParaView and other linked systems seamlessly. Audit trails and logging. Some implementations may have logging capabilities to track access and actions performed by users. This helps administrators monitor usage patterns and ensure compliance with security policies. External authentication systems. In certain configurations, ParaView can be integrated with external identity management systems to manage user credentials and permissions centrally, making it easier to control and secure access across multiple applications. How does ParaView handle user authentication and authorization? ParaView itself does not have a built-in, centralized user authentication and authorization system. Instead, it relies on the underlying infrastructure or system in which it is deployed for managing user access. Here's how it generally handles user authentication and authorization. Local system authentication. When ParaView is used in a local environment, example running on a single machine, user authentication is typically handled by the operating system. ParaView will use the OS-level user accounts to determine access. ParaView Web. For ParaView in a web-based environment, ParaView Web or the ParaView server, authentication and authorization are often integrated with external systems. This could be managed by web server technologies like NGINX or Apache, authentication frameworks such as OAuth, LDAP, or SSO, or through custom-built solutions that connect to an identity provider. Custom user management. In scenarios where ParaView is integrated into a larger data analysis or visualization system, example, a research or institutional platform, user access can be managed by external tools or services, such as a dedicated access control system or a framework designed for that specific environment. Role-based access control, RBAC. Although ParaView itself does not have native RBAC, external systems or tools can be configured to restrict access to certain ParaView resources based on the role of the user. This would limit the actions a user can perform, such as which data sets they can access or modify. Why is identity management crucial for ParaView in collaborative environments? Identity management is crucial for ParaView in collaborative environments for several key reasons. Access control. In collaborative settings, multiple users need varying levels of access to ParaView's features and data. Identity management helps enforce role-based access control, RBAC, ensuring that users can only access the data and features relevant to their roles. For example, some users might only need view permissions, while others may need the ability to modify simulations or upload new data. Data security. Collaborative environments often involve sharing sensitive or proprietary data. Identity management systems ensure that only authorized individuals can access, modify, or share this data, mitigating the risk of data breaches and unauthorized access. Audit and compliance. For research teams, organizations, or companies using ParaView, tracking who has accessed or modified data is essential for compliance with regulations or internal policies. Identity management tools enable detailed auditing of user actions, which can be critical in regulated industries or research environments where data integrity and traceability are paramount. User collaboration. In ParaView, users may work together on complex visualizations, simulations, and data analysis. Identity management ensures seamless collaboration by allowing users to authenticate, share resources, and contribute to projects securely. It helps prevent data conflicts and ensures that only authorized participants are involved in collaborative efforts. Scalability. As a project grows and involves more users, identity management systems provide a scalable approach to handling an increasing number of users. With centralized authentication and authorization, managing user access becomes easier even as teams expand. Single sign-on (SSO) in enterprise or institutional environments, identity management can integrate ParaView with single sign-on (SSO) solutions, reducing the complexity of managing multiple credentials. This improves user experience and minimizes the risk of security vulnerabilities arising from poor password practices. What are the best practices for implementing identity management in ParaView? Implementing identity management in ParaView, a powerful open-source data visualization tool, is essential for controlling access to sensitive data and ensuring secure collaboration. Here are some best practices for implementing identity management in ParaView. 1. Integrate with an existing identity provider, IDP. Use SSO, single sign-on. Integrate ParaView with an enterprise identity provider, IDP, such as LDAP, Active Directory, AD, or SAML-based systems. This ensures that users can authenticate using their organization's credentials, providing a seamless login experience. Federated authentication. Set up federated identity management to allow users from different organizations or systems to access ParaView securely, while maintaining centralized authentication. 2. Role-based access control, RBAC. Define roles and permissions. Establish roles based on the level of access needed for different users, example, administrators, data scientists, analysts, or guests. Each role should be associated with specific permissions related to data access, visualization rights, and system settings. Use ParaView's built-in RBAC features. If available in your ParaView version, configure the built-in roles and permissions system to manage access to projects, visualization models, and computing resources. 3. Centralized user management. Leverage a user directory. Use an external user directory, example LDAP or AD, for managing user accounts. This ensures user information and access rights are centralized and not stored locally in ParaView. Automate user synchronization. Regularly synchronize users from your IDP to ParaView, ensuring that changes in user statuses, example, role changes, account suspension, are reflected instantly. 4. Secure access and authentication. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. Implement MFA for additional security, especially for users who access sensitive data or critical systems. This can help mitigate the risk of unauthorized access. Secure password policies. Enforce strong password policies that require complexity, example, length, character types, and periodic updates to enhance security. 5. Audit and monitoring. Log user activities. Enable logging for all user actions within ParaView, especially for administrative functions and data access. This can help in troubleshooting, compliance audits, and identifying suspicious activity. Regular security audits periodically review user access logs and access rights to ensure that users only have the permissions necessary for their roles. 6. Data protection. Access controls on data ensure that data stored or processed in ParaView is only accessible to users with the proper access level. This may include securing access to large datasets or specific visualization tools. Encryption. Use encryption for both data in transit and at rest, especially if ParaView is used in cloud environments or across a network with sensitive datasets. 7. Customization and integration with other tools. Third-party integration. If ParaView is integrated with other tools, such as cloud storage or computation resources, ensure identity management is consistent across these platforms. This may include setting up federated identity management or SSO between ParaView and other tools. How can ParaView's identity management ensure compliance with industry standards? ParaView, as a data visualization and analysis tool, does not directly manage identity, but it can integrate with various identity management systems to ensure compliance with industry standards. Here's how ParaView can align with identity management solutions to help meet compliance needs. Role-based access control, RBAC. Identity management tools that support RBAC can define different user roles, example administrator, viewer, analyst, within ParaView. This ensures that users only have access to the data and tools necessary for their roles, minimizing the risk of unauthorized access. ParaView can integrate with identity systems such as LDAP, Active Directory, or SAML to enforce role-based restrictions, ensuring that the right people have access to specific data sets or functionalities in compliance with data governance policies. Authentication and Single Sign-On, SSO. ParaView can be integrated with identity providers, IDPs, like Okta or Microsoft Azure AD for Single Sign-On, SSO. This simplifies user authentication while ensuring compliance with industry standards like SOC 2, ISO 27001, or HIPAA. SSO ensures that users can access ParaView with a single set of credentials, reducing the risk of password-related breaches and improving the overall security posture in accordance with industry standards. Audit trails and logging. Identity management systems often provide audit trails, recording when and how users access specific resources. ParaView can integrate with these systems to log user actions, such as opening sensitive datasets or performing analysis. These logs are crucial for compliance with regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and SOX, where tracking access to sensitive information and ensuring accountability is essential. Data encryption and access controls. Identity management systems can enforce encryption and access controls for ParaView data, ensuring that sensitive information is protected according to regulatory requirements. ParaView can rely on these systems to encrypt data both at rest and in transit, which helps meet data protection standards. Compliance with data privacy regulations. Industry standards like GDPR and HIPAA require robust user data management and consent mechanisms. Identity management tools integrated with ParaView can ensure that users' personal information is managed in compliance with these standards, providing features like user consent management, data anonymization, and access reviews. Why choose ProExcellency for peer review software identity management online training? Choosing ProExcellency for ParaView software identity management online training can offer several benefits. Expert trainers. ProExcellency typically employs trainers with deep expertise in both ParaView software and identity management, ensuring that you learn from professionals with hands-on experience in the field. Customized learning. The training can be tailored to your specific needs, whether you're looking for a general overview or in-depth training for complex identity management scenarios in ParaView. This allows you to focus on areas that are most relevant to your organization or career goals. Hands-on experience. ProExcellency likely integrates practical, hands-on learning opportunities that help reinforce theoretical concepts, making it easier to apply them in real-world scenarios. Flexibility. Online training allows you to access the course material at your own pace, enabling you to learn from anywhere without the need to travel. Comprehensive curriculum. ProExcellency's courses often cover a wide range of topics in both ParaView and identity management, from basic functionality to more advanced configuration and security concepts. Support and resources. You may have access to ongoing support and learning resources, such as post-training forums or webinars, to ensure you can continue to learn and troubleshoot as you apply the skills. Industry recognition. A certification or training from a reputable provider like ProExcellency can help you gain credibility in the industry and improve career prospects. Thank you.